Got some tough ones. We've had the Tourers, had a few good looking ones. We've got a good looking Chevy coming, and this Ram is something else as well. Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. Today we've got High Life. High Life's a Ram 2500 2022 model from Ram Trucks Australia. Craig brought this one in. He wanted a big, good looking, brand new Ram DJ2. He's stepping out of a DJ1 Gen 4 2500. Fairly stock on that one. This one he's thought he would go to town, make it a big, good looking weapon. And that's exactly what we delivered here at Big Dog Builds. Craig wanted a big, good driving Ram 2500. So we've opted for the Carli 3.25 inch Pintop kit with the works. So this has got the 3.25 inch coils in the front, the Carli R1 coils for the rear because he's not adding too much weight for this vehicle. We've also installed the Airbag Man coil helper airbags. So we've custom made this kit to suit these R1 and R2 coils from Carli, being the Pintop 3.25 inch kit. It's slightly higher than the 2.5 inch leveling king springs that we use in the back of the other builds. So this is just a manual operation for now until later next year we do the full air on board setup for this vehicle. The base kit for these 3.25 inch Pintop setups is like nothing else on the market. Carli have really nailed every design and function on this platform. So we've got the radius arm drops as standard, as well as your brake line extensions, your bump stop drops, your front panhard or track bar being adjustable there for the diff to be centered all the time. We've also opted for the high mount steering stabilizer from Carli, the low mount steering stabilizer, as well as the Carli replacement radius arms. So if you want to look at more videos on the features of this kit, CJC Off-Road as well as Carli USA have got some great videos on YouTube as well. The radius arms are one that I think all of these 3.25 inch Pintops need. If you're gonna do the radius arm drops, you might as well put these arms in. They look amazing. They're a lot stronger than the factory ones. They will allow for the full flex of this setup. So this one's ready to hit the beach now with the full Carli suspension kit. It's also running the 22 inch fuel wheels with massive 37, 13.5, 22 inch Toyo open country RT tyres. So this is a big impact build for Craig. This thing looks amazing. We've worked alongside Gangster Wraps for this video. We've dropped the vehicle off to them and they've definitely murdered this one out in a good way. It's got a combination of gloss black accents, the satin PPF over the factory black paint, as well as a little bit of vinyl wrap in there as well where required over the flares. Then we've gone and added the ceramic coating with Gangster Wraps as well. So this one looks amazing now. It's protected with the paint protection film all over. We've got the chrome delete all round. There's a lot of chrome on these Rams, a lot of time consuming man hours put in to remove and refit of this chrome pieces for paint. They've definitely nailed the concept on this. We're really happy with the outcome. We look forward to doing more tough builds like this in the future. If you're after a more aggressive road presence, we can definitely get the stance right on a vehicle build here. We'll always combine this with a good suspension setup. All of these trucks need good suspension, wheel tire combo for the roads here in Australia. And we can also customize any color coding, PPF, vinyl, ceramic coating, window tinting, any other upgraded features that makes the look of these vehicles stand out from the rest. We look forward to hearing from you guys. Stay tuned. Remember to subscribe and like. We're on YouTube, also TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. We look forward to having your inquiry come through and building your truck in 2023 here at Big Dog Builds.